Hi guys, I'm Noor, I'm an architect and illustrator, and if I had to define each step of my drawings, it would be 1. Establishing the foundation of the drawing, 2. Sketching the outlines of the biggest elements, 3. Details and shadings. And I can say that this one is my favorite. I can continue to add details like forever, but the truth is, regardless of how much detail I actually include in my scenes, there's simply way too much detail to capture, so there are clearly simplifications that have to be made. And not every time I want to spend hours on detailing. This is when I like to do the illusion of detail. So when you look closer at some of my drawings to see exactly how I have drawn all the details, well, you can't see what you expect to see. You just see some little lines and scribbles. So you can actually see that I am drawing the effect of the detail, but not the actual detail. Okay, let's start drawing this together. First of all, don't panic, don't get overwhelmed by all the crazy details. Start by drawing the foundation line. I must say this part is the most important as this is the one that defines the overall structure of your drawing. Find the right placement for the vanishing points. In this case, there are 2 vanishing points. Don't be afraid to draw random lines across your paper until you find them. Then, draw the outlines of the biggest elements like these columns and stairs. Now let's draw the illusion of the details. It's actually like sketching each detail like it was a whole drawing in itself, but by simplifying it. That's all for this video. If you've made until now, I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe. It's completely free and you have new videos and freebies every week. And until next time, you can check out these. See you!